Jhaycell here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel those who are never subscribed yet. So today in this video I will explain to you how to make, and I will teach you how to make the branding watermark in your video during when you are making a video in your channel. So you can put which corner of your video, like for example this video, this corner. So when someone press the red color button, the YouTube, so they will come out automatically your name or name of your channel. So it's really look like professional, that if you want to see the video that you have already watermarked, so if will be easy, the people were easy to press, like they want to subscribe, so they can press directly to that. So it's really worth it, and it's really good for making the branding watermark and easy. So I will teach you today how to make the branding watermark in your YouTube channel or in your video. Okay, watch this. So today I will show you how I'm using the Canva application to make the watermark. So here, I'm checking first to search the branding. So brand here, logo. So I'm using the black. Okay. Okay, here, as you can see here, you upload, or you want to text first at the heading, because if you don't put at the heading, like the people we cannot see, or is, but actually it's up to you that you want to put the heading on top, like please press subscribe, like please you put your name or anything can. So but now I'm using mine like this. I press this square button, red color, subscribe. Okay, I download from the website, free. Okay, I put here, I press and put at the middle. Okay, so I need to resize, then not really distracted at your screen. So you have to resize that, like I prefer the smaller, like 400 plus by 400, like that, because if too big, it will distract the video, and then it's really destructive, it's not good. So you have to resize in the smaller part. It gets so small. Okay, I'm finding the exact size that I'm expected for that. Okay, so okay, I prefer the 400 plus. Okay, then one more. Okay, already done. Okay, so I move a bit, done. So I want to add the text on top, like heading. Okay, here I delete this one, otherwise it will add together. Look at that. So you have to delete it. Okay, so example, please press the button. Okay. Please press the button, then automatic they will show you how it is. Okay, you press, you resize also, otherwise it's too big than the red color button. Okay, you move. You see, I'm not really expect to move, it's okay, but I'm trying to move at the top of the red color subscribe red button. like this. Okay, so I download. Okay, so I want to check the resize, whether I can resize this, but I never purchase, so I'm using the free, so I just cancel that, and then I'm going to download free. They're using a canvas got free. Okay, save to your file documents or download, I mean. Okay, go to your YouTube channel, and then you go to the right side below, you find, I'm finding because the internet a bit slow, sorry. It's okay, you go to the right side to your profile, and then you go to the YouTube studio. Okay, and then wait for a moment. You go to the settings, go to the, okay, channel branding. You can see that you choose there, here you download from here, that just now that you already keep from your file. Okay, done. Yeah, okay, see how cute, it's nice, you know. Okay, save. Okay, we double check from the top of my video, I mean of my yes, of my video in my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my channel profile. I love it, that which is I only make myself. Okay, okay, so you can see the first one that you see, it will show your YouTube channel automatically. So it's really nice and really fantastic that you make yourself the branding watermark in your YouTube channel in the video. It can help also the people, it can help also your channel to be more subscribers, more views, and then it, a lot of people will watching because look professional, and they will press that, they will directly to your YouTube channel. So I hope that you learn from me and this video that I shared to you guys. So I am really happy for that, that you comments the below, that which is really you learn from that. So I am so happy for that if you really comments. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments. That is my happiest moment from you guys. Okay, thanks.